It's different, and in some ways, and it's not so different in other ways. So there are many different types of vaccine. We can spend a lot of time talking about that. But one typical vaccine that's commonly been used in the last few decades is a subunit vaccine. And what all that means is you take a component of the organism, be it a bacteria or a virus, and you inject a person with just that component. And usually those are proteins that we artificially make from the pathogens. So this is the way hepatitis B vaccine works. And so this is a protein injection into your body to induce this response from these lymphocytes that swim around our lymph nodes. Now, all the mRNA vaccine is doing is, instead of injecting people with protein, you're injecting people with the information that the cell needs to make that protein. So it's just one step back up in the kind of way proteins are made. So mRNA is a natural constituent of all our cells in the body. We have the information for life contained in the nucleus and the DNA. And then it's kind of like a library, like the nucleus contains all the books that you'd ever need to encode life. But at any given time, some of those library books will be withdrawn because these are the ones that are needed at that particular time. And they're found in the cytosol of the cell, and they're made into proteins. So all the vaccine's doing is trying to inject that mRNA into the cytosol of our cells, deliver a library book that we don't have in our nucleus artificially, and then make the protein that we need. So in some ways, it's a different strategy. In other ways, it's kind of similar to the subunit vaccines that we're used to.